Hi guys, my name is Indigo and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Chanel inspired makeup look. The lyrics say I see both sides like Chanel, so I'm going to be doing literally both sides of Chanel. So since I'm doing a split look, I really want it to be like precise or whatever, so I'm going to get some tape and put that on the half of my face. This is the Mirror Makeup Pastel palette. I'm going to be using the light pink on this side of my face. All you have to do is add a little water and it'll do its magic. And now I'm just going to peel this off because I really can't. Could you imagine if I peeled it off and it was like all messed up? Alrighty, so this side of the face is going to be turquoise. It kind of looks green in the camera, but I promise you, it's turquoise. I'm scared to even attempt the middle, so we're gonna save that for last. I made a heart! I didn't even mean to do all that. It's gone now, just like mine. I'm also doing brush first, then sponge after, just because I'm finding that's like the best way to do coverage. Next, I'm gonna start contouring the pink side with this dark pink shade. Next, I'm going to use the lightest shade of the blues to contour this side. Alrighty, next I'm gonna do the blush on this side, and I'm going to use Root Canal. And then I'm going to use the shade Cavity to kind of darken the underneath of the nose and maybe add a little bit of emphasis to anywhere I think there should be a little bit more pink. While I'm doing this, I'd also like to thank everybody that has left something nice in the James Charles casting call. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much to anybody that subscribed from that. It's kind of crazy to think that there's actually even people that would even subscribe to my channel or even watch me. Next, I'm going to use a dark purple and dark pink to create little freckles and my beauty mark on this side. I'm just gonna switch to the hair clips that I'm actually gonna use for the final look right now, because why not? And that one there. I'm gonna do bubblegum on this side, and then I'm gonna do brain freeze on this side. I'm gonna use clown white just to create this like white Alrighty, and next I'm going to do the Chanel logo on my forehead, and I'm not excited for this part. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of random white dots everywhere just because I want like that splatter effect. I like the way it looks right now. I'm not gonna touch it anymore. I'm just gonna do my black eyeliner and my mascara. Alrighty, now I'm gonna do the lips. It's the same exact paint that I used everywhere else on my face. I'm just going to put it on my lips. I actually like the way my natural lip color looks with the pink side, so I'm just gonna keep it that way, and I'm just gonna clean up the blue. So I'm just gonna add some lip gloss on this side, because why not? Not gonna lie, this said not to put it on the lips, and I ignored it, and it's burning. Okay, wow, this is burning a lot. It's almost like they make blue lipstick for a reason. Don't do that. Well, anyways, that is it for the makeup. I'm gonna go and add the butterflies in my contacts, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, and we're back, and this is the final look. As you can see, I added a pink contact and a blue contact on this side, and I very obviously added my little butterflies, which I absolutely love. I will leave the link down below. They're really easy, not sponsored. I just really love them. They just complete every single look. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked my energy, if you guys liked my art, please like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I will see you guys in the future. Bye-bye. My guy's pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel.